And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we will be talking about none. Now this should have actually been in types. I couldn't remember if I actually covered it, but I think I didn't. And yeah, none is kind of big in Python. If you come from a different language, if you know undefined, then you probably know what none is then. But yes, it's going to be a very short video. So none is a data type. And basically what it means is nothing. It's literally just nothing. So we print none, I mean x right here. After we set it to 9 and we run the code, as you can see we get none. Now none is basically when something doesn't have a value. Basically sometimes you will get a none value and you just gotta know what it means. So if Python ever throws at you a none, it never has at me, but if it does ever at you, then you know what it is. Now it's a data type. It's just like an int or a string or basically anything else, but it basically just means nothing. In other languages you may have, because in languages sometimes you have to initialize things, so you go something like int x and you leave it like that and you print it, then it will say something like undefined. Well, none is the same thing. So if we can actually go if x is none, then we can print. I wonder if we can do that, because yeah, it's undefined. So x is equal to none. So anyways, yeah, so nothing is found in x. It's just another data type. I didn't want to really spend too long on it. I just want to tell you that it is another data type, and you can use it if you want to. Maybe if you want to initialize something before you, or you want to create a variable before you actually initialize it, or something like that. Initialize, so if you want to go x and then later on you want to say x is now equal to 1. If maybe you want to do something like that, wouldn't recommend it though, but if you want to do something like that, then you can. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, see you all in the next video.